In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I cut and sew this maxi flace skirt. It is a 180-degree flace skirt. If this seems like what you would like to learn, kindly watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end. If you are new here, you are welcome. And to my old-time subscriber, thank you for always watching my video and supporting the channel. So the skirt we are cutting is a 180-degree flace skirt, half circle skirt. The measurement we need is the waist circumference, which is 34 inches, skirt length, which is 47.5 inches. To calculate the radius of the skirt, waist circumference plus 3 inches. This 3 inches is for the zipper allowance and joining the side of the skirt. If you are not adding zipper allowance, or you are just going to add an elastic, you don't need this. Then you divide the waist by 3.14 inches. 3.14. If you want to find the radius of an half circle, is 3.14. 334, that is the waist area of the skirt, that circular part, how we are going to get it. So we are going to divide by 3.14. 34 plus 3 inches will give me 37 inches divided by 3.14. That's 11.78 inches. 11.78 inches. This 11.78 inches is what you are going to add to the length of the skirt. So to get the actual length of the skirt, you know the length of the skirt is 47.5 inches. But the actual length of the skirt, we are going to remove the waistband. Because we are adding a waistband of 2.5 inches to it, we are going to remove the waistband before doing anything to the waist of the skirt, to the length of the skirt. You are going to remove the waistband length. The waistband length is 2.5 inches. So 47.5 inches, which is the length of the skirt, plus minus 2.5 inches for the waistband, will give me 45 inches. Plus 2 inches sewing allowance. You see, this 2 inches is for the joining of the skirt with at the upper part and hemming the skirt at the lower part. You might decide to use just 1.5 inches. Just 1.5 inches is good. It depends on you. So 45 plus 2 inches will give me 47 inches. This is the length of the skirt without the waistband. So this 47 inches now, I will now add that 11.78 inches to it. It will give me 58.78 inches. Approximately, I'm going to cut out 59 inches. It means I have approximated this to 12 inches. So with this approximation, there's going to be excess at the waist area, but you can always cut that out if you are opening the side of the skirt. So let's proceed. So the first step will be to measure the fabric along the selvage area. I am going to measure 59 inches twice. That is for the front and the back. So we need the length of 59 inches for the front and 59 inches for the back. So the fabric is unfolded now. The next step is to pick one edge of the fabric and fold it to form a triangle like I'm doing in the video. Then come to the upper tip of the triangle and mark out the radius of 12 inches that was calculated at the beginning of the video. Then from the mark radius, mark out the length of the skirt, which is 47 inches with the sewing allowance all around like I'm doing in the video. Then the next step is to cut out the skirt. I am going to open the side of the skirt, which is optional if you are not putting pockets in the skirt. But if your own skirt is going to have an elastic band, there is no need for the zipper allowance, and opening the side is also optional. While opening the side, I did not leave the zipper allowance on the back piece. I am supposed to drag the front back a bit before opening the sides. So I'm going to correct this by trimming the excess on the front piece while sewing. This is possible because I have excess on the waistline. That is that 11.78 that I approximated to 12 inches. The next step is to join the zipper allowance. Then place the back piece on the front piece, then trim off the excess on the front piece. I am trying to confirm that the waist measurement is intact, and I have 18 inches on the back piece. So 18 inches multiplied by 2 will give me 36 inches. So I still have extra 2 inches to join the sides. Remember, we are working with 34 inches as the waist circumference. I have closed the side of the skirt. I have a band of 37 inches by 3 inches. The excess on the band will be cut off after sewing the band to the skirt. After sewing the band to the skirt, the band width will reduce from that 3 inches to 2.5 inches. As 0.5 inch will be used to sew the band to the skirt. I have pasted soft stay on the band, close one side and iron out half an inch sewing allowance at one side. The side that I did not fold in will be sewn to the skirt, right side facing right side. I would cut out the excess. I will then push in the seam and use the folded sewing allowance to cover the seam. Then I will go and sew along the seam line, making sure that I am sewing on the band on the wrong side. The last step is to insert the zipper and hem the down part of the skirt with the sewing allowance.